Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I've been taking this as three waves up for W, ABC of W, WXY for an X, and I was thinking that this was actually an A, and this was a B, and that this was perhaps going to push up towards the highs of wave W for the C, and this would be a complete WXY pattern, which could even possibly go up and take out the highs of wave four if it really is a pullback to the whole move down. So this is definitely what I'm thinking is going on. The problem is that the daily trend is down because we have no significant breakup. The weekly and monthly trend is definitely down also. So there is definitely a chance that it just keeps on pushing down. And as always, the trend is your friend, especially on these higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, technically, we should technically be bearish until we get a break of structure. There's no break of structure yet. This move up right here definitely could be a pullback to this move down. So if you get a significant break of structure to the downside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then it actually may end up making another impulsive leg to the downside. On the other hand, if it keeps working its way up and it gives us a break of structure to the upside, that should tell us or confirm to us that we're going up for the wave C of wave Y, like I was showing on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.